Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage. And brought to you by Amsoil, the first in synthetics. And by Shark Hide Metal Protectant. One great product, thousands of uses. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
I truly love my Magic Creeper. Now, this is a true story. Just last night, coincidentally, I was in my own driveway and I found the Dauber Cruiser had a flat tire. So I got my Magic Creeper out, used it as a kneeling pad. It made my job a whole lot easier, and it was a whole lot easier on the old knees, I can tell you that. When you head to MagicCreeper.com, you can also pick up Magic Cleaner Wipes. They're perfect to keep in your car. Let's say you have to change a tire. Magic Cleaner Wipes have a special degreasing formula. Nothing is better for cleaning up your Magic Creeper than Magic Cleaner Wipes. And the folks at Magic Creeper have also created several kits, and each one comes with a case. If you're not able to clean your Magic Creeper every time you use it, or even if you just don't feel like it, you can store it in the case and keep your space clean. The case has pockets inside. That's a perfect place to keep your Magic Cleaner Wipes, and extra space for a few tools that might be handy if you're pulling out the Magic Creeper. Now, the perfect set is one of the most popular sets. It comes with flashlight gloves so you can see in the dark and still work hands-free. Those things are really cool. And the kit also has some additional roadside tools, perfect for any emergency fixes you might need to make. Or you can pick up the ultimate gift set for Father's Day, maybe for a kid who's on his way or her way to college, or for the guy who already has everything. They'll get a creeper and a case and a pack of Magic Cleaner Wipes, a few handy tools, and a 2-in-1 Mechanics coffee mug for a hot cup of coffee in the morning and a cold beverage in the afternoon. We've shown you the Magic Creeper and how you can use it around your garage or maybe even in the house when conditions are perfect. When you're doing maintenance on your vehicle, it's a very handy tool. But of course, where the Magic Creeper shines is when you're out in the elements. Check this out. Got some snow and slush, and if you've got a flat tire, you're in big trouble here. You're getting your clothes all dirty, and of course, you're gonna be late to where you're going. The Magic Creeper, you can just drop it down. The Magic Creeper gets dirty, you can do all the work you need to right here. But what if you need to get under the vehicle? Guess what? The Magic Creeper rolls out, and it gets dirty and you don't. So if you need to get under the vehicle for some reason, just put the Magic Creeper down in the mud or the snow, whatever the conditions. You can do the maintenance work you need to do underneath with whatever emergency fix you need to do. Roll back out and you are on your way. The Magic Creeper gets dirty and wet and gross, and you do not. You just roll it back up. The Magic Creeper is good to go. You know, I love hosting Motorhead Garage, and I also have the honor of co-hosting Tech Garage every spring with John Gardner. Now, John is a master technician, and he's also a professor of automotive technology at Chipola College in Florida. His program's been using Magic Creepers for years. John says they're indispensable, and he's not the only one.
With the ride height on vehicles today, creepers just don't work. So we get a bunch of Magic Creepers. We can put lessons together with different lesson plans and have 5, 10, 15 students relatively inexpensively just bam, get under the car, do the visual inspections, identify parts, come out, roll it up. The next student has it. We've had them for years. They work great.
I stretched it out, laid down on it, and rolled under a truck. I was sold. Is better than the traditional creeper. It's a lot smoother, slides in and out easier. Don't have to worry about getting hung up on something or getting the air hose hung on you. Magic Creeper's ideal for working on big trucks and RVs. It made a world of difference. Here at Bristol, sometimes we get a big truck like a C7500 in, and it makes it ideal to get under it when the lifts are tied up. Because the way that truck is configured, you can't put it on a lift, so you have to come in off the ground. And the Magic Creeper is ideal. It's not as hard on your back trying to scoot in under something. You've got something that's padded that you can slide in on and slide out. If you're thinking about buying one, go ahead and get it. You will truly enjoy it.
At MagicCreeper.com, you'll get a discount on sets for the whole family or for the whole work crew. And if you find the Magic Creeper on Instagram and Facebook, tell them you saw Magic Creeper on Motorhead Garage and you'll get a discount. Read the reviews, grab the bundles. You will love the Magic Creeper and you'll wish you had one years ago. Every single Magic Creeper owner I've talked to loves it. There are imitators out there, but there's only one authentic Magic Creeper, and the only place to get it is MagicCreeper.com. We cannot do this show without you, the viewer, so thank you so much for tuning in. And we can't do this show without great products coming through the studio here. So if you have one you want to see featured on Motorhead Garage, email me. Send a note to dave@motorheadgarage.tv. We'll get you here in our studio to show it off to the world. Until next week, from the greatest crew in television, we will see you here for another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com.